Tonight, we embark on a soothing meditation experience designed to guide you into a state of deep peace and inner calm. Let's get into it. Close your eyes and find a comfortable position, allowing your body to settle into a state of relaxation. Take a deep breath in, filling your lungs with air, and exhale slowly, releasing any tension or stress you may be holding onto. Feel the support of the chair or bed beneath you, grounding you in this moment. As you continue to breathe deeply, imagine yourself in a tranquil setting of your choice. It could be a peaceful garden, a serene mountain peak, or a quiet meadow. Picture the sights, sounds, and smells of this place, allowing yourself to fully immerse in its tranquility. As you focus on your breath, feel a sense of calmness washing over you. With each inhale, imagine breathing in peace and relaxation. With each exhale, imagine releasing any worries or tensions, allowing them to melt away. Now, bring your awareness to your body. Starting from your head, slowly scan down to your toes, noticing any areas of tension or discomfort. With each breath, imagine these areas relaxing and becoming lighter. As you continue to relax, visualize a warm, soothing light surrounding you. This light is filled with love, peace, and positive energy, enveloping you in a cocoon of comfort and safety. In this state of deep relaxation, your mind is clear and receptive. You are open to new ideas, insights, and perspectives. As we continue our meditation, let this feeling of relaxation stay with you, guiding you through the night. Imagine a soft, gentle rain starting to fall around you. Feel the cool drops as they land on your skin, washing away any remaining tension or stress. Allow the sound of the rain to lull you into an even deeper state of relaxation. As the rain continues to fall, imagine yourself surrounded by a beautiful, healing light. This light is filled with positive energy, renewing your body, mind, and spirit. Feel this light penetrating every cell of your being, filling you with a sense of peace and well-being. Now, let's take a moment to practice gratitude. Think of 3 things you're grateful for today. They could be simple things, like a warm cup of tea or a friendly smile. Allow yourself to feel genuine gratitude for these blessings in your life. As you continue to relax, imagine yourself floating on a cloud, gently drifting through the sky. Feel the softness beneath you, supporting you in complete comfort. Allow yourself to let go completely, surrendering to the peace and tranquility of this moment. In this state of deep relaxation, your subconscious mind is open and receptive. Take a moment to set an intention for yourself. It could be a goal you want to achieve, a habit you want to cultivate, or simply a feeling you want to experience more often. Visualize yourself already living this intention, feeling the joy and fulfillment it brings. Now, bring your awareness back to your breath. Notice the rise and fall of your chest with each inhale and exhale. Allow your breath to return to its natural rhythm, feeling a sense of peace and relaxation washing over you. Before you go, remember to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it with your friends, and hit that post notification button to be notified when I post a new video. Thank you for joining me on this journey of relaxation and mindfulness. May you have a restful and peaceful night's sleep, filled with beautiful dreams and positive energy. My name is Kina. I will have 1 to 2 sessions each week. If you have any questions or comments, I'd love to hear from you. Additionally, if there's anything in particular you're interested in exploring during our session, please share your suggestions. So feel free to post your thoughts below, and let's make our next session even more enriching and relaxing together. Again, subscribe, share, and like. Bye.